From the intricate dance of a bee colony to the sleek efficiency of a smartphone, nature and technology seem worlds apart. One a symphony of organic life, the other a testament to human ingenuity. Yet beneath the surface a curious connection emerges. The building blocks of a rainforest and a robot, surprisingly, share a common origin. Could it be that biology and technology, rather than being distinct entities, are in fact two sides of the same coin? Let's explore the hidden parallels between the living world and the realm of technology. We will journey from the tiniest atoms to the complexities of intelligence, uncovering the surprising similarities in their design and function. Join me as we delve into the fascinating intersection of biology and technology, revealing a deeper connection than we might have ever imagined. At the heart of both a soaring redwood and a powerful computer lie the same fundamental ingredients: atoms. These tiny building blocks, forged in the fiery hearts of stars, assemble into the molecules that form the basis of all matter, living or artificial. Carbon, the backbone of life on Earth, forms the intricate chains of DNA and the complex proteins that drive our cells. Silicon, its counterpart in the technological realm, provides the semiconducting properties essential for the microchips powering our digital world. Both elements, born from the explosions of ancient stars, highlight a profound connection. We are all, in a very real sense, made of stardust. These atoms, governed by the same laws of physics and chemistry, self-assemble into intricate structures, from the delicate double helix of DNA to the intricate circuitry of a microprocessor. Both biological and technological systems defy the natural tendency towards disorder known as entropy, but are both in fact engines of it. They channel energy to create complexity, generating heat distribution as a byproduct of their intricate processes. This shared dance with energy and entropy further underscores a potential universal common purpose between the living and the engineered. Life, in all its diversity, relies on a universal language, the genetic code embedded within DNA. This elegant molecule, defined by letters, a spiraling ladder of chemical bases, stores the blueprints for building and maintaining an organism. In the digital realm, a similar kind of code reigns supreme. Binary sequences of zeros and ones, like the letters of our DNA's alphabet, provide the instructions for a technology's identity and way of working. Both DNA and digital code, though different in their physical form, serve as repositories of core information. They represent instructions, blueprints, and algorithms that guide the function and behavior of their respective systems. Just as DNA dictates the growth of a tree or the color of a butterfly's wings, computer code dictates the actions of a robot or the display on our screens. This shared reliance on information storage and processing highlights a fundamental similarity in how biological and technological systems operate. The lines between biology and technology are becoming increasingly blurred as scientists and engineers draw inspiration from the natural world and evolve the natural world based on it. Biomimicry, the practice of leveraging nature's designs, has led to innovations such as gecko-inspired adhesives and aerodynamic wind turbine blades modelled after humpback whale fins. The convergence of these fields is perhaps most evident in the realm of biomedical engineering. Artificial limbs controlled by thought, pacemakers that regulate heartbeats, organic implants, and even digital data stored within DNA molecules are just a few examples of how technology is merging with biology to enhance our lives. This fusion of disciplines is not merely an act of imitation, but a deep recognition of the elegance and efficiency of nature's solutions, of which technology as we know it may just be part of. To an alien observer, a natural system and a technological one would simply seem like one continuous stream of interacting complex structures. Then there is the cycle continues, reproduction and iteration. The drive to replicate and improve is woven into the very fabric of both biology and technology. Life on Earth perpetuates itself through a variety of reproductive strategies, and no one is more natural than the other, from the simple division of bacteria to the complex animal egg laying or birth. Each generation inherits the genetic legacy of its ancestors, with slight variations introduced through mutation and recombination. In the technological realm, we see a parallel process of iteration and improvement. New models of phones, computers and cars are constantly being developed, often led by technology itself. Each generation building upon the successes and failures of its predecessors. Design flaws are eliminated, better materials are tested and propagated, and software is refined, leading to incremental advancements over time. Both biological and technological systems are engaged in a continuous cycle of reproduction, variation and selection, striving for greater efficiency, resilience and adaptability. Of course, then, we have thinking machines, artificial intelligence and the spark of creativity. Perhaps the most profound parallel between biology and technology lies in the realm of intelligence. Artificial intelligence, once a staple of science fiction, is rapidly becoming a part of our everyday lives. AI algorithms, operating almost identically to the neural networks of the human brain, are now capable of learning, problem-solving better than PhDs, and even exhibiting creativity. AlphaGo, an AI developed by Google DeepMind, made headlines in 2016 when it defeated a world champion Go player, a feat once thought to be decades away. AI is also being used to compose music, generate art, and even write poetry in the exact same way humans do. We both from environmental data, our experiential input, merging it with their inner model and capacities, and creating something novel. While AI has not yet achieved the full complexity of human in some ways it is even more complex, such as networked intelligence and access to vast breadths of knowledge. Its rapid development raises profound questions about the nature of intelligence and the future of our relationship with technology. Then there is sensing the world, from biology to technology. The ability to perceive and respond to the environment is fundamental to both biological and technological systems. Our senses, sight, hearing, touch, taste and smell, provide us with a constant stream of information about the world around us, allowing us to navigate, learn and interact. Technological systems too rely on sensors to gather data. Cameras capture images like eyes, microphones vibrate like eardrums, and a myriad of other sensors detect everything from temperature and pressure to motion. This sensory information in both humans and technology is transferred via electron pathways, processed and interpreted in a central processor, driving decision and action. From self-driving cars that see their surroundings to smartphones that respond to our touch, technology is increasingly acquiring the sensory capabilities of living organisms. But beyond the horizon, emergent properties and unforeseen possibilities. One of the most fascinating aspects of both biology and technology is the emergence of unexpected properties from simpler components. In biology, this is evident in the complex behaviors of ant colonies or the intricate workings of the human brain, neither of which can be fully predicted by simply studying individual ants or neurons. We went from a few gooey cells underwater to philosophers contemplating reality. Similarly, in technology, the interconnectedness of devices and the vast amounts of data being generated are giving rise to emergent phenomena that we are only beginning to understand, such as insight, strategy, discovery, opinion. The Internet, for example, has evolved from a simple network for sharing information into a complex ecosystem of life's interaction, much like the chemical signaling of ants and bees, with profound implications for how we think, work, live, and even mate. As both biology and technology continue to evolve, and we use more biology in technology and more technology in biology, we can expect to see even more surprising and transformative emergent properties arise from the interplay of their fundamental building blocks. Ultimately, it's a tapestry of interwoven threads, our interconnected future. As we have explored, the parallels between biology and technology run deep and become indistinguishable. From their shared atomic origins and reliance on information processing to their capacity for reproduction, evolution, and even creativity, these two seemingly disparate realms are inextricably linked. The boundaries between the living and the engineered are blurred or even invented. Much like beehives as a technology are not considered outside of the natural realm, technology is rooted in nature and in turn shapes our living world itself. As we venture into an era defined by artificial intelligence, genetic engineering, and the seamless integration of so-called technology into our lives, it is essential to remember this fundamental connection. Biology and technology are not separate entities, but rather interwoven threads in the tapestry of our universe, bits of stardust, each informing and influencing the other. By embracing this interconnectedness, we can unlock new possibilities for synergy, innovation, harmony, understanding, and perhaps even redefine what it means to be us in the years to come.